thousands by my side. War between good and evil, watching our fists collide. Battle for our freedom now.
Hello, welcome back to DBTV. My name is Derek. Hopefully you have an amazing day, because I'm having a pretty good day today. And if you're not, hopefully this makes your day just a little bit better. And if you're new here, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you didn't tune in last time for my last video, it's my first video. I posted it just about a week ago, and so far it has gotten 302 views at the time of this recording, and that's just like mind-blowing. I did not think that was ever gonna happen, and I don't even know 302 people. So that's pretty cool. And also thank you to everyone who viewed the video and liked it and subbed. It's totally appreciated, and hopefully you'll do the same for this video. And be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Alright, enough wasting your time. Let's get into the video. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and big thumbs up to you who watched it all the way through, and it's totally appreciated. And be sure to tune in next time for the next video. It should be dropping in about a week, hopefully. I'm going to try to start getting a schedule together to drop a new video about once a week. So, alright, that's it. Peace out.